turn off quiet mode on Instagram. For that, you need to hop into the Instagram application and now tap on profile, which is at the bottom right of the screen. Now tap on three line at the top right of the screen. You need to scroll down, and here you can easily see the option of notifications. Tap on notification and select the option of quiet mode. So it has already been turned off. If it has been toggled on in this way, then you need to switch it back by toggling off the quiet mode. And now you need to select turn off quiet mode, which is at the bottom of the screen. So once you have done that, the quiet mode will be automatically turned off. So this way you can easily turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Hope so this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.